What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a little bit different than me being on the heat presses and doing things like that. One thing I get is in the comments is a lot of questions about my sublimation videos. I do sublimation off camera. I don't really sell it to customers. I kind of just do it as my own thing. But I do get into sublimation off the camera, and I'm have a few videos out there on my YouTube, probably back in the day, of sublimation stuff. I do like doing sublimation, but I stick to basically the transfer side of it. But so I'm gonna get right into it. I always get the questions of my printer, basically what paper I use, all this about the sublimation. So if you go back probably about 4 years, I'll actually leave the link to the video that I did. I converted this printer. This is an Epson Workforce 7720. I got it around COVID, so it was very hard to get at the time. I think I spent $400 and some on it, brand new. And there is sublimation printers out there. You can go any route you want about it. This is the route I went. I just wanted to get this printer and convert it, so that's what I did. I have the video on that. And like I said, I haven't had any problems with this printer. It's a very good printer. But what I did, with everybody asking me is, how did I convert it? So what did I do? You can go on Amazon. You can get probably conversion kits for this. And you could also get the sublimation ink on Amazon. You could do anything like that. Do your research before you get into this. But this is one of the main ways I started printing t-shirts back about 5-6 years ago, was sublimation first. Because I'm not going to sit here and, bullshit. I didn't know nothing really about the game. I knew that, plastisol and stuff went on shirts, but I didn't know nothing about it. First thing I purchased was a vinyl cutter and a sublimation printer. So what I did actually is I got this kit. This is Cosmos ink. It's the kit for the Workforce 7720 and the 7710. And it comes with everything to convert it. It comes with your ink. Gives you 4 things of ink in here, and it gives you the syringes, and to change out, they give you to change out the Epson ink cartridge in there. They give you their own to change out. So that's obviously in the printer. And like I said, I just wanted to answer anybody's questions. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, but this is the kit that I went to. The colors are very bright. Everything I did, obviously I don't have everything around, but I still have one of the mouse pads from that ink. The ink just pops no matter what it's on. And I mean, I've seen other sublimation inks on Amazon, everything like that. I have never had any problems. I believe these kits are I think it was $80 when I got it. I'm not sure what it is today. But then you could also go on their website and just get the inks when you run out of the ink. I clean out the syringes. So they give you a couple different syringes for all the different inks. So every time I use them, I just clean out the syringe so I can reuse them. I'm still going strong on these bottles. Like I said, I do sublimation on the side just for myself. I did a few videos back in the day, but this is what I chose to go with. You don't have to go this route. Epson makes sublimation printers. There's tons of things or places out there that make sublimation printers, sublimation inks. You could choose your own route, but I got a lot of questions on basically what printer is this, what ink I'm using. So I just wanted to kind of sum that up in a quick video to let you guys know this is what I'm currently working with. And sublimation paper, I usually just get my sublimation paper off Amazon. I don't get anything crazy, or that's usually what I go. If I could find a good deal on Amazon, that's the route I go with it. If I was getting into, printing for customers, big orders and stuff, I'd make sure I had the great, best quality print paper and everything. But this is my little setup of my sublimation. I'm not sure what these printers are going for now, but I haven't had any problems with this printer in the last 6 years. I mean, I keep it clean every time I do sublimation. I clean the heads out and just make sure everything's clean. And it prints me out, really good prints every single time. I'm not sure if I have any. I do have one more of them, but the prints come out dull when you're doing sublimation, and they come out a lot brighter when you actually get it onto the polyester or whatever you're doing, metal signs or whatever. But I mean, that's, I don't have any problems with it. It's a clean print. So I just wanted to throw this video out there and answer the questions. And like I said, you guys can go back in my old videos where I put up some sublimation videos where I did a few different things. I tried different things with sublimation. So I hope this answered the questions that you guys had in the comments. So I'm going to leave it at that. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.